That's the biggest house in the county. They hadn't completely moved into it yet, I don't think. $5 million house. Big old thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, riders of all ages, this is Sonic 6.
Ooh. It's laundry day. That fella's going to the car wash. He needs it. That is where my mama and my brother are buried. I sure do miss them. Policeman. Jeep. Jeep. She was trying to look without turning her head. Excuse me. Big old dog hanging out the car. Bless me. Wow. I'm glad I didn't blow snot all over the inside of my helmet. Welcome to the city of Montevallo, home of the University of Montevallo. And that's about it. They don't even have a Sonic. They got a Jack's. They got a KFC. But KFC's so expensive. Now this little building right there and that brick building right there are going to be torn down, and they're building a Taco Bell there. The guy said, "That's pretty cool," talking about the bike. I think the 200-year anniversary for the city of Montevallo, and they got a grant to redo all the sidewalks down here, and that's what they're doing. They're going to make the city a little more walking friendly than it is. I mean, it wasn't bad before, but make it a little better. You can see the new sidewalk already been laid right up there.
That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good puppy. He's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a puppy.